Hello guys, today we're gonna fix the input delay for the Battleground series. Originally I wanted to do the grab moves today, but since you guys told me about the severe input delay, which I wasn't aware of, because I always tested alone, yeah, we'll fix this today. I know where it comes from, and I've figured out the fix. So yeah, first let's go to our client script, our input script, and at the top you get all like local things here. Want to do we could do this under the character, yeah, get character info. uh Wait, do we have an event that's called change character? That's my question. Remote change, no we don't have, although we have, yeah. Wait, do we have it in here? Also, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, because 80% of my viewers, or actually 85%, haven't subscribed yet. So if you're one of them, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps you out a ton. So without further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video. No, we don't. Okay, so you want to get the change character event. So we want to do local change character is going to be equal to replicate storage, like child's remotes, and we have child change character, and not change character, not changing modes. Should also put this line down here. It's under the nice local, like things. Then the local current character name. I'm gonna put this to nil, and the local current character info is also gonna be nil. So the problem occurs because we're currently just trying to get the newest data from the server every time we do something. So yeah, that's not really efficient, is it? So change character on client event connect function, and we want to connect the function of character info. Then we want to do current character name is equal to character info dot name, and then current character info is going to be equal to character info, and anim catch is going to be equal, it's going to be cleared. Yeah, that's basically it. So then we want to replace our play anim function with a catched version, pretty much. So we can keep this. We want to do anim catch and catch this with the ID. And we want to do if not animation, then you want to just create the new animation and just, yeah, do it like this, and then we're good to go. So then in the underscore inputs, as you can see, we're currently invoking this every input. So yeah, I'm gonna delete this here. And then I'm just gonna do if not current character info, then return. That's what I'm gonna do instead. Yeah, so then we can also go down to change current character info here. And yeah, then also, yeah, we have misspelled slam here, so might as well also just, then it's Control Shift F and write slame. And you can see that there's nothing now, and when you write slam, no, it is. So that works. We were using the wrong name, so the slam also didn't work. Yeah. So then, we want to do here in the, where we basically get our animations pretty much, no inputs. I'm going to use the catched animation thing. So yeah, that's good. So current character info, that works. Okay. Let me think. Do we have an on character? Yeah, we have an on character. I'll just wait for a millisecond after the character got added, so we can't punch before the server got loaded in. So I'm gonna task delay a function. In this function, I'm gonna do if not current character info, then local selected character, comma character data table is equal to get character info, and then invoke server. And if selected character and character data table, then set this, and we don't have to clear the cache because it's non-existent. So yeah, that's it for the client, I guess, already. Yeah, those are only load animation things. The module. Oh yeah, right, because we indexed this. Yeah, okay. We could replace this with. Yeah, let's replace this with a find first child, which is typically better. Okay. No, this isn't at 1 anymore. Why is it warning me here? Animate about animation. No, humor is fine. Okay. So then let's go to the server because we have to also change a bit. Okay, so we actually want to remove the preloads thing. Actually. Well, I think we don't even have to. Actually, I think we can. Yeah, let's just remove the preload function and then both calls to it, because we're actually gonna just do the what's it called? We're just gonna preload the animations for deselected character only. So yeah, so we first want to get the content provider service. Content provider. There you go. So then near the top, can just do it as first, probably. Local preload that 4. Just gonna do this. Okay. Alright, so then we want to make a function, we think. Yeah. Local function gather animation IDs, the character module. Then the local ID is going to be empty at first. Then the local anims is equal to character module dot animations big A. Okay. Then for name, comma value in pairs items do. If name is equal to punch animation and type of value is equal to table, then for underscore comma punch ID in pairs value do, and then we want to table insert this, but not just punch ID. We want to do rbx assets ID colon // and then like this, and then else. And to do if type of value is equal to a number, or type of value is equal to a string, then we just want to insert this here. Okay, and then we want to lastly return IDs. Okay, so then next function is going to be local function preload selected character async for the humanoids, which is our humanoids, and then the character info. So we want to check if not humanoids or not humanoid.parent, then return ends. No, not old ended, return ends. The same thing for if not character info or not character info dot name, then return ends. Okay, so then preload for humanoids is going to be equal to preloaded for humanoids or table. If preloaded for humanoids, character info dot name, then return end. So if the character is basically loaded. So in character module scripts, be equal to characters folder, find first child, character info dot name. If not character module scripts, then return ends. Local character module is equal to require character module scripts. Then local IDs is going to be equal to gather animation IDs for the character module. Then task.spawn function. I'm going to spawn a function to load all the enums pretty much. So local enums is pretty much an empty table. Then for underscore comma ID in ipairs IDs do. Then the local animation is going to be equal to instance.new animation. I.animation ID equal to ID. And then table.inserts enums a. And then we want to p-call a function to do content provider preload async and then enums. And then we want to do preloaded for, index this with the humanoids, and index this with the character info dot name. We want to set this equal to true. So that's pretty much our new stuff. Okay, so in apply stats on respawn, let's find that function. Where do we have it? Apply stats on respawn. Where is it? There we go. Apply stats on respawn. So in here, we want to preload them pretty much. So we want to just do preload, selected character async, the humanoids, and our character info. that's pretty much it. Also in change character, we also want to do this. So let's check for change character here. Also, when we apply the character info stats thing, we also want to do change character fire client player character info. Same thing. Actually, we still do that. Oh yeah, we don't. We have to do this. Yeah, we already do it. Sorry, I got lost for a second. Okay. Also to do a local character, local character. It's gonna be equal to player dot character. Local humanoid is gonna be equal to character and character find first child of class humanoid. Then if humanoids, then preload selected character async. Okay, there you go. Okay, then we also need to change our play animations thing. I don't know where that is exactly. Apply animations. There we go. Okay, we want to change this function too. So we want to go ahead and have this change a bit. So I'm just going to destroy this function. Yeah. So task.defer, delay defer function. We want to go ahead and do the local character instance. It's going to be equal to character folder, and then wait for child's character. Then if not player dot character and player dot character find first child's humanoid. Then return ends. And then if we have the character instance, so if character instance, then our local character animates. It's going to be equal to character instance find first child animates. That's it. And then the local player animates. It's going to be equal to player, yeah, pretty much this here. And then if both are there, then the local clone is going to be equal to character animates clone, and then clone parent is going to be equal to all player character, and then player and okay, and then we want to go ahead and do player animates clone destroy, yeah, and then else here else to do yeah, we want to warn. Let me just cut out this function here. Oh, let me copy it. Let me see what it looked like before again. 1 second, I just want to check something. Yeah, okay, works. Okay. Let me rebuild this function. There you go. Okay, so that should be it. That should make the whole experience a lot more smoother. You can actually check this out in game now and see if everything works. Oh, oops. My bad. Should have seen that, honestly. Okay. There we go. Yeah, reload in. Oh yeah, it's way more responsive. Oh my god. You guys gonna love this. Yeah, you guys gonna love this. Honestly, you guys gonna love this. This is way better. Honestly, it's way better. Like way better. Also, I feel like the character is kind of walking a bit slow. I'm gonna make him faster because he's very slow. Like I don't. It looks weird when he walks this fast and he's that slow. You know what I mean? I'm playing the what's it called? The sword? No, duelist, right? Duelist? No, duelist has no abilities. I'm playing the sword master. Okay. All right. So sword master. Do we have walk speed even? Do we even do walk speed? Did we do the walk speed yet? Did we do? Wait, hold up. We might have to do the walk speed too. Oh no, speed mode. I was confused. Okay, so publish. There we go. Should be faster now, by lots even. That feels that feels better. Okay, yeah, that's better. That's better. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's better. You guys gonna love this. Anyways, please test it out with someone else and tell me in the comments if it got fixed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you next one. Peace.